What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Friday, love me Fridays. Friday the 15th of August, 2025. Heading northbound on the Van Wyck. Driving to my first service call in Forest Hills. We have a new residential client that found us on YouTube, and they have a ductless mini split system that smells like cocky. Smells like cocky. You know what I'm talking about, folks. So we're going out there. I got the portable pressure washer, which is designed to clean systems like we're going to. I have the bib system. We're going to set it up, and we're going to rejuvenate this Fujitsu Ductless system with finesse. And I'm going to show you step by step how I do it, because I got my Meta glasses by Ray-Ban, the prescription joints. We are going to make this system cocky free. Are you ready? Make sure you smash that thumbs up button. And for those who know what I'm going through right now, driving, I'm fortunately doing like 13 miles an hour right now. Fortunately. Just imagine what it is like when schools are open. Oh. Good morning, sir.
Mike?
Yes.
Rama.
Hi, Rama. Pleasure to meet you.
Come on in.
Thank you.
Look at you.
We white
Carpet, red carpet entry. I like it. Red carpet entry.
You get the red carpet treatment.
So that's the unit.
Tell me what's going on with these things.
Yeah. So it works fine.
Okay.
It just stinks like mildew. So last week, obviously, I tried to do it myself. I cleaned up as much as I could. I even took out the whole shell off and washed all the mildew that was on the white plastic.
Okay.
But I still smelled the mildew. That's when I kind of ran into your
YouTube
video, and I'm like,
yeah.
this is what I
So they tell me you have three more, we're just doing one.
Just one.
Okay,
I mean,
fine.
All my units are single, so I literally have 6 of these and 6 units outside.
Yeah. Not terrible, but still not clean either. But
Yeah, it just smells very mildewy.
oh, it looks wet too, believe it or not.
Yeah.
Like it has like a little sheen, a glimmering sheen to it.
So this unit was fixed a couple of years ago.
What was wrong with it?
He replaced something in there, and then it worked fine, and it's been working fine. But yeah, I do get condensation from there.
Dripping from here?
Sometimes.
Or sometimes, yeah?
Yeah, like just here, just condensation builds up right there.
Alright, 12,000 BTU unit. Let's take that off. Alright, not terrible. And the coil looks pretty clean as well. What's concerning is the blower wheel. You build up a lot of dirt on there. You're going to cause extra strain on the motor, and that's going to burn it out. Also, you get that horrible smell coming out of this thing. Alright, we're gonna pop the screws out of this bad boy. We'll make sure we get them back. Remove the electrical compartment cover. And then we're gonna start taking out these screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And next, 1, 2, 3. to the left and right covers. I'm just gonna lift up there. And voila. Pull that out, held onto the spring, take out the first louver. All right, clips are in place on the left and right hand side. Perfect. Put you in there. Beautiful. Let's go right into the bucket, which is now clean. All right, first we're gonna hit it with some spray line. Good degreaser and disinfectant as well. Excellent. I'm gonna use my little screwdriver, move the fins over a little bit. That way I can really saturate the entire blower wheel. Sometimes you get lucky and it spins with the motion of the water, chemical hitting it. But yeah. Oof. And there are some that take this thing fully apart, but it's not necessary. This is perfect. I do this all the time. And a little bit more there, and that will be good. All right. My blower wheel is completely saturated now with the spray on. Let's just shove that in there for right there. And let's start. Oh, I think I missed a spot right there. There we go. Beautiful. And let's just try that. No, it's already wet. Okay. Going right into the bucket. Beautiful. All right, next. Nu-Calgon. Beautiful. You guys ready for some magic? Let me shine some light on the subject. It's like magic. Make sure it all goes into the bucket. Beautiful. Oh shit. Yeah, it's just water. And I believe that is the last of the blow wheel. Oh, a little bit right there. Get back over here. Come on. Right there. Oh, right there. A little bit more.
Did you order food? I ate some of it.
she's clean. All right. The wheel is clean. All right, I sprayed down the filters with also spray 9. Now I'm giving it a good rinse. Perfect. For Mitsubishi?
Really?
Yeah, I'll never voluntarily put one in unless I really have no choice. I've had customers wait months for components, literally months.
Huh. Interesting.
Yeah, one a couple years ago. Like this is right before COVID actually. So it's like 6 years ago. The fan blade outside cracked, right? So the unit wasn't extracting the heat anymore, to the outside. So I call up the distributor I get the part number, and it says back ordered, like 4 to 6 weeks. It turned out to be 4 to 6 months.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, nuts. Absolutely nuts. All right. Beautiful. Next time you guys need some chocolate milk, head on over to your ductless mini split unit and clean the blower. All right, ladies and gentlemen, off camera we did a second additional unit in the master bedroom. Wow, we really rejuvenated 2 of the 5 HVAC mini split systems here. Incredible. And as I was leaving off camera, the homeowner tells me, as he gives me a nice gratuity, that you know what, I've been here for 7 years. I've had 4 different contractors out here for HVAC, and you by far exceeded all my expectations. That is a huge compliment. Huge compliment. So if you live in the Long Island, New York City metropolitan area like Queens, Kew Gardens, where we are right now, or in the vicinity, and you're tired of getting bamboozled by your HVAC contractor, I want you to pick up the phone and give me a call. We're located right in Woodmere, not too far from JFK Airport, and we service most of Nassau County and parts of Queens. And outside that area, on a case-by-case basis. My name is Mike Dyke. I'm a licensed master plumber in the states of Florida, South Carolina, and New York. It's been a pleasure. Be well. God bless. Stay safe.